guys, welcome back to Rocket Olds 455 Liftoff, and we are doing the crankshaft prep and installation. It's actually been done, but I'm just doing a review on it, an update for the up and coming Rocket Olds 455 Liftoff. There's the crank all polished up and installed in that 1970 Olds block right there, guys. I'm just doing a hand turnover. That thing went in there beautifully, guys. The tolerances were outstanding. There's the motor on the left hand side where we first got it, all dirty and nasty, and that motor was stock right there. Number 2 cylinder was definitely, the rings were just stuck right there, but not so bad that we couldn't get it apart. But we had to do a little patient working of that, and it came right out. Also installed the W30 camshaft. That's a little bit hotter cam than this motor had before, which will smarten things up. That was a high output Olds option back in 1970. It'll give it a little bit of rumble. There we go. We did the camshaft bearing installation right here in-house. We don't have to send all this stuff out. Some guys wanted me to send this out and have it machined and this and that. Oh, you can spend thousands of dollars, guys, and have the same end product, okay? And that's what this is a budget build, friends. This is all standard bearing sets. No, not 30 over, not bored out 60,000. So this is all standard bore stuff, guys. And everything, like I said, looked beautiful as it came apart, and I knew it would all clean up. I mean, if I saw something that would X-nay that, then I would have sent the crank out and had it turned, and we would have to go another avenue, but everything looked wonderful. So there it is. The crank's installed. All the tolerances look beautiful. We plastic gauged everything up. It looked great. We went in to put the new that's that rear main cap on the left-hand side. If you don't know too much about the motors, but if you ever hear of somebody saying, "Oh, the rear main seal's leaking," this is what we're talking about right in here. And we actually upgraded that to a neoprene or rubber seal for the rear main. You'll see a little clip coming up, and it'll show you the old rope seal that used to be in here on the right-hand side. That's the old rope seal. You can see it's a piece of rope, and you have to work it like dough. You have to kind of form fit it because it comes straight. It doesn't come curved like that. It comes straight, and you have to roll it and work it in there, and then cut it and put the anaerobic sealant on that flange right there on the left, and both sides. So we just kind of slid that. There it is. There's that rubber seal. Slid right in there, nice. You offset a little bit. You still use the same anaerobic sealant. Put it together. I mean, it goes together fast, friends. I mean, fast, and it goes wonderful. Everything looks beautiful here, guys. We've hand spun this crank. Everything is like I said, going beautifully here. In the next step, you're going to see, I believe what we did was, I was getting ready to not hang the pistons, but install the rings on the pistons. So you have to check the ring gap, and this is if you can see, that's the piston ring right there. I have it inside the cylinder, and then I take that piston, and what I'm doing here is I'm pushing that in about an inch and a half, and then I'm going to check the gap, and you can see, I'll use a feeler gauge, and I know what the tolerance is. You can see right here, there it is. There's that gap, a little fuzzy, but there I go. I should have had the camera over a little bit, but I use that feeler gauge. That was beautiful, guys. You don't want that too tight, or you can have trouble when that motor heats up. That could be ring failure as temperatures get hot. And sometimes these Olds will run these 455s will run hot, especially number 8 cylinder, and that's number 8 cylinder right there, guys. They run hot typically. But anyways, everything looks beautiful. I'm going to get ready to rock and roll these pistons into that block. I'll follow up another video, and I hope you like the vid. So guys, the next step is to ring up these pistons and get them in the block.